Today in the state of Maryland, 50 degrees cloudy, air quality index 26, serenity, which is good air, feels like 46 degrees, wind 9 miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer 30.14 inch. It's going to be cloudy today, and on the left you'll see it's 56 degrees, rain today. But all we're going to say is going to be today in Maryland, it's going to be 50 degrees Fahrenheit cloudy. Now we're going to go over to the Doppler radar. We're going to start off with temperatures before we're going to start off with the radar observation. So, on the green one in the state of Maryland, you'll see it's 50 degrees, and the dark green one showing the 30s. So everywhere in Maryland it's going to be on the 50s because, why? Because it's going to be cloudy around 50 degrees. And the rest of the United States, which is New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, which is going to, some are going to be on the green one on the 50 and 30s, and some are going to be on the yellow stuff, which is on the 70s. And don't forget about the orange one, which is 85. So other than that, temperatures is going to be hotter and it's going to be warmer. So it's going to be cloudy, it's going to be warmer right here in the state of Maryland. Now to the radar observation. The radar observation is showing, so the radar observation is showing in the state of Maryland rain, the green stuff rain. New York showing the rain as well as Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, North Carolina, and even a little bit in West Virginia and Virginia. But look right there on the dot, which is the Virginia beach, showing it's going to be rain. But everywhere and the rest of the United States it's not going to be rain. And look, just a little bit in Kentucky. Now let's go back to Maryland. So Maryland's going to be rain because it's going to be 49 over 40s. The Pennsylvania is going to be in the different directions. But everywhere in the United States, right here on the East Coast, it's going to be on the northeast side of the rain. Moving on to precipitation. So the precipitation is in the state of Maryland, state of Virginia, state of Pennsylvania, state of New York, New Hampshire, Connecticut, and so on and so forth. And even Delaware and New Jersey. The precipitation on the 0.01 on the yellow stuff, the green one showing at 0.08. It's heading on the land and the ocean side, on the water side. So, you can see here in Baltimore County, it's going to be precipitation. The precipitation is going to clear up Maryland. So if you watch, you'll see the precipitation is clearing up Pennsylvania. Yep, it's clearing up the precipitation. So look again. Maryland is clearing up precipitation, but precipitation is clearing up in the United States and even Maryland and Delaware. It's going to go away on the water side, but the precipitation is coming towards New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and even New York City, and even New Jersey. The satellite on the terrain and the land and the water side and the ocean side, you can see here on the satellite moving on the northeast side in the East Coast. So the satellite is in New York, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, New Jersey, Delaware, and even right here at home, which is Maryland, and even Washington and Baltimore. Virginia as well on the satellite white stuff in North Carolina, South Carolina, West Virginia, Ohio, Kentucky, Knoxville, Tennessee, and so on and so forth. So, satellite is moving in the United States, but mostly in the United States it's going to be on the East Coast satellite. And some are a little bit on the Midwest. Now the clouds. Clouds are everywhere on the East Coast. But right here at home, you can see here in the state of Maryland, it's going to be cloudy because it's going to be on the 50s and some are going to be 40s right here on the United States and the East Coast. But other than that, with the Maryland and Delaware, clouds are going to be on the northeast side. The different directions on the clouds is going to be on different directions, which is the eastbound side, northbound side, and so on. So we're going to name the clouds. We're going to name everywhere in the United States besides Maryland. So, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and so on. So, clouds are moving everywhere in the United States, and as well as Maryland and Delaware, and especially New Jersey. So we're moving on. So everywhere in the United States, everywhere in the state of Maryland is going to be on the 50s, light rain and clouds. But we're gonna do the numbers. So look at the numbers, guys. Everywhere where you live in the United States, some are going to be on the 50s and on the 40s. So we're going to start off with 48 degrees in Bel Air, 50 degrees in Belcamp, 49 degrees in Cadenville, 49 degrees exactly, exact same thing in Chesapeake City, Chestertown. But Churchville showing 48, Columbia 50, Conowingo 48, Darlington 50, Dundalk 50, Edgewood 49, Elkridge 50, Elton 49, Ellicott City 50, Essex same thing, which is Ellicott City and Essex showing clouds. Boston 48, Frederick 50, same thing in Glen Burnie, Hagerstown 49, Halethorpe 50, Happy Grace same thing, Jarrettsville 48, 50 degrees in Jessup, 49 degrees in Joppatown, 48 degrees in Kingsville, 51 degrees in Laura. That's going to be the 50s. Middle River showing 50, Nottingham showing 49, and look at this. Ocean City is a high of 57. Owens Mills 48, Perry Hall 49, Perryville 51, Pikeville 49, Queenstown 50, Reynoldstown and Reisterstown showing 48, Rising Sun 48, Riverside 50, Rosedale 49, Savage 50, Towson 49, Wrightford 48, White Marsh 50, Joppa 49, Northeast 49, Aberdeen 50, same thing in Aberdeen Proving Ground, everywhere in Maryland, which is in Baltimore, same thing in Annapolis, and finally Abingdon 49. So let's break it down for these. So let's break it down for these numbers of the 40s and 50s. We're gonna start off with the 40s. So we're gonna break it down. So on the 40s, which we have is Bel Air, Cadenville, Chesapeake City, Chestertown, Churchville, Conowingo, Edgewood, Elton, Fallston, Hagerstown, Jarrettsville, Joppatown, Kingsville, Nottingham, Owens Mills, Perry Hall, Pikeville, Reynoldstown, Reisterstown, Rising Sun, Rosedale, Towson, Royford, Joppa, Northeast, and Abingdon. Next up on the 50s, we have is Belcamp, Columbia, Darlington, Dundalk, Elkridge, Ellicott City, Essex, Frederick, Glen Burnie, Halethorpe, Happy Grace, Jessup, Joppatown, Laura, Middle River, Ocean City, Perryville, Queenstown, Riverside, White Marsh, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Baltimore, everywhere, and Annapolis. Alright, so that's a breakdown. Now to the historical weather, which is average high 75 degrees, average low 54 degrees, record high 96 degrees, 1996, record low 97, record low 35 degrees, 1997, average rainfall 3.91 inch. So today it's going to be rain around 50s and cloudy. And tomorrow it's going to be Memorial Day, which is 76 degrees, mostly sunny. So we're going to go over to the forecast as always. So Tuesday is going to be partly sunny. Wednesday is going to be Tuesday's going to be 78 degrees, partly sunny. Wednesday's going to be 77 degrees, partly sunny. Thursday's going to be 81 degrees, rain showers. Friday's going to be heavy thunderstorm around 80. Saturday is going to be light rain around 82. Sunday is going to be 83 degrees, partly sunny. Monday is going to be partly sunny around 84. And Tuesday is going to be 85 degrees, light rain. So we're going to break it down. Monday is going to be, the only mostly cloudy we're going to get is tomorrow, which is Memorial Day around 76. Partly sunny on Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, and then Monday. And then the only thunderstorms we're going to get is on Friday. And then Saturday is going to be light rain as well as Tuesday and then today.